Follow us in the day in the operating room, where efficiency meets care. Powered by Dräger Digital Solutions with Emma, the OR nurse, Kathy, the anesthesiologist, and James, the professor. OR nurse Emma starts her shift in the OR at 7 a.m. daily. A glance from her desktop, using Dräger OR Companion, she can identify which anesthesia unit passes or fails the self-test. Emma was also alerted that the CO2 absorber has expired and was able to promptly replace it in OR3. The Dräger OR Companion allows Emma to proactively identify accessories that requires replacement. Dräger OR Companion guides Emma with step-by-step instructions. She quickly replaces the CO2 absorber, making the unit safe and ready for use. With the Dräger OR Companion, Emma can save valuable time as the anesthesia machines automatically perform a self-test to confirm their safety and readiness for use. The results of the self-test, along with the usage and accessory status, are reported on an online dashboard, ensuring optimal readiness. Emma is able to efficiently plan all surgical schedules and ensure the ORs are ready for patient use. This also results in increased capacity for the number of daily procedures that can be done. Back on the Dräger OR Companion screen, Emma detects another leakage issue in OR1. Dräger OR Companion provides Emma with step-by-step corrective actions to resolve the leakage issues in OR1. Emma enters OR1. She follows the recommended steps to resolve the leakage issue. However, this seems to be a machine-related technical issue. With Dräger's connected maintenance, she can easily send a help request in the anesthesia machine. Once the Dräger technician receives the request for help with the email containing all the error logs and machine details, he is able to quickly identify the error and remedy. This greatly improves the error resolution time. The Dräger OR Companion allows you to track the status of the operating room and effectively manage the OR department. It streamlines staff workflow, has daily anesthesia system test, protects patients, and ensures high uptime of anesthesia workstations. In the operating room, the anesthesiologist Kathy uses an integrated anesthesia workstation to seamlessly monitor all ventilation, hemodynamic, and infusion pump data related to a patient. With Dräger's SmartPilot View, she can further optimize the dosing of her anesthetic agents. This software supports decision-making by turning complex pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic data into easy-to-interpret visuals for everyday clinical practice. Kathy is able to effectively achieve balanced anesthesia for patients, reduce intraoperative adverse effects, and avoid prolonged emergence from anesthesia. Dräger's SmartPilot View can help to lower the overall consumption of intravenous drugs and volatile anesthetics, thereby minimizing environmental impact. Let Dräger's SmartPilot View support you during the entire anesthesia process, from induction to recovery. Professor James, a senior consultant, often has multiple patients covering 2 ORs and often has to run between the OR and recovery rooms. With Mobile Patient Watch, Professor James can conveniently retrieve physiological and ventilation data for his patients in the operating theatre and recovery room. When Professor James has to rush to another OR to help a colleague, he can still supervise his new resident with access to the patient monitoring, ventilation waveform, and settings in the OR via his mobile. Gaining near real-time access to critical patient data significantly enhances clinical workflow by improving hospital communication and clinical response times, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. Dräger's Hospital Data Analytics Suite continues its magic, delivering actionable insights, both clinical and operational, to drive continuous process improvement in the hospital with every byte of collected data. Dräger Gas Consumption Analytics transforms gas management in healthcare. Get valuable insights to monitor and optimize gas consumption, enhancing efficiency, reducing waste, and promoting sustainability. Improve your ventilation strategies in the OR with Lung Protective Ventilation Analytics. The dashboard provides insights into ventilation quality by analyzing parameters, modes, and recruitment maneuvers. Consistently implement lung protective practices and benchmark performance to achieve high standards of patient care. Dräger Device Utilization Analytics streamlines medical device management. Gain valuable insights to monitor, analyze, and optimize fleet performance. Customizable dashboards and robust reporting enhance visibility and efficiency. This improves the sub-visibility and uptime of vital devices like anesthesia workstations. Experience cutting-edge innovation in perioperative care with Dräger digital solutions. Enhance OR efficiency with live dashboards, automated self-tests, and connected maintenance. Gain actionable insights to improve patient outcomes, including lung protective ventilation and low-flow practices.